What could happen if just one more student in each Tennessee classroom reached key milestones every year? In 2024, this question, paired with the reality that too few Tennessee students are prepared for careers that lead to economic independence, sparked Tennessee 2030, a data-driven vision to ensure every Tennessee student is on a clear path to success in the classroom, career, and life. We've taken that vision a step further with the launch of the Tennessee 2030 Local Data Dashboards, which provide district and institution-level insights on key metrics, including 3rd grade ELA proficiency, 7th grade math proficiency, seamless post-secondary enrollment, and post-secondary credential completion. Use the filters to view progress by overall performance or by student group. Each dashboard shows where your district or institution stands today and projects where it could be by 2030. Explore your local data by visiting TN2030.org today.